Hey guys, welcome to Nature Walk with me Deepan Raj. And yeah, today we are going to talk about the 5 best places you have to visit in India. So yeah, as we all know, we are in the third MCO and many of us will get the desire to go for a vacation. It's okay. We can proceed this after the MCO over and everything get back to normal, and yeah, you can add this to your plan also. Before we go into the next part, please subscribe the channel and press the bell button to receive more information and updates on the future. So let's go. The southwestern state of India, known as Kerala, is a place of tropical beauty. Palm trees, white sand beaches, and ecotourism are all big reasons to explore this region. Besides its famous backwaters, elegant houseboats, and temple festivals, Kerala is also home to Thekadi, a tiger preserve which allows you to admire flora and fauna without crowds. The hub of Kerala is the city of Kochi, where you can see the local fishing industry thriving along with modern high rises and colonial architecture. Kochi is ethnically and religiously diverse, and in a single afternoon you can explore a Jewish synagogue, a Dutch palace, the Portuguese Pallipuram fort, and Hindu Tirakara temple. Agra is one of the most visited cities in all of India. Once the capital of the Mughal Empire, Agra is now home to the iconic structure known as Taj Mahal. The white marble mausoleum was built in the 17th century and it is widely regarded as a monument of love. While spectacularly beautiful, the Taj Mahal can be very crowded. And also worth seeing in Agra is the Agra Fort, which is very similar to the Red Fort of Delhi. You can tour this 16th century fort and even explore the interior of its beautiful palace. The desert state of Rajasthan in India has its most colorful and flamboyant. Rajasthan, the land of the Maharajas, is packed with history, ancient forts, and extravagant places. Rajasthan contains many of the popular places to visit in India, filled with colorful cities, bazaars, and sights. Jaipur, known as the Pink City, is more than just a gateway to the intoxicating state. Jaipur is home to the intricate Hawa Mahal, the majestic Amir Fort, and the city palace, and much more. The blue city of Jodhpur with its mighty Mehrangarh Fort is also a must-see, as is Jaisalmer, where you can explore this massive ancient golden fort of a city and take a camel safari into the surrounding desert. Also, don't miss the romantic city of Udaipur, a city of mesmerizing lakes and places, the holy town of Pushkar, which is also home to the legendary Camel Festival, and don't miss the chance to spot tigers at the Ranthambore National Park. The Indian Himalayas. If you are more of a mountain person and want to escape the heat, there are still many places to visit in India that will delight you. There is really something special about the majestic Indian Himalayas, and it's not just about the cool air and stunning mountain vistas. You can also visit spectacularly colorful Buddhist monasteries and get a taste of the serene and beautiful Tibetan culture. Some of the mountain destinations in India include Himachal Pradesh and Dharamshala, the home of the Dalai Lama, Leh, and Ladakh, home to ancient places, monasteries, and surreal landscape on the Tibetan plateau, and Darjeeling and Sikkim with its world-famous tree plantations and stunning colorful Tibetan monasteries. Alright guys, lastly, in northernmost India, in the heavily distributed Kashmir region, is the mountainous destination of Ladakh. This region is large, but it has a low population density and a number of nomadic residents. Breathtaking, pristine scenery is a major draw to the area, but virtually all travelers will also spend time in the town of Leh. The town is located at a very high elevation and it is also home to the 17th century palace of the King of Ladakh. Buddhist culture is also prominent in Leh, and you may wish to explore some of the many Buddhist monasteries and temples in the old town.